Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will unbox the Asrock Pro series, the B450 PRO4F, which is supposed to be a Ryzen 3000 series desktop ready. Okay, if we look on the back over here, you have some specifications. You can pause this and read it by yourself. This is how it looks, the interface, and let's do this. So these are some specification of the Ryzen series CPU: Pinnacle Reach, Summit Reach, and Raven Reach. This is how you're supposed to mount the DDR4. And here is the quick installation guide, which is quite handy when it comes to install the motherboard. It has absolutely everything that you need to know about installation and some quick guidelines. This is, you have to install it into the case. A mounting screw for the m.2. And here is the motherboard. We put this one aside. Let's put this one also as well. And here it is. This is the best level entry motherboard for all Ryzen CPUs up to 3000 series, because the key features that they have, it's the 4 slot for DDR4. I'll show it to you much better this way. And one X1 PCI Express, the 16X PCI Express, and the 4X. Here is the 24-pin connector. It has the M.2 Ultra and another supposed to be M.2. Let's see how it looks like. As 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. So you can also install an M.2 over here. So it has a fan, USB. This is the USB 3.4, USB 5.6. A COM one. RGB headers, LED, audio, and it also has an RGB over here. With the fan as well. Over here it is the CPU fan, and if you can see this one, the radiator here, it is a white radiator. In other motherboards, these two radiators, this one and this one, are dark color, including this one as well. So this is how it looks like. You have here microphone, input and output, USBs generation 1, USB 3.1 generation 1, type C, HDMI, DVI port, USB 2.0, the mouse and the keyboard. Alright, and here you have the SATA ports. So for the front panel you have here the USB 3.0. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.